ये पीस लेके आई थी, बहुत सारे कलर्स लाई थी. दिस टाइम अगेन वीव गॉट, सो इफ यू सी यू नो, अगर आपको मंदिर जाना है या गुरुद्वारा जाना है, you know, especially if you go to Gurdwara, you want to cover your head, this is a beautiful suit. पूरे उस पे बीड लगे हुए हैं, बीड्स की वो है lace, and it's a beautiful dupatta. So as important the suit is, the more important is the dupatta. It should look beautiful. For me, dupatta makes a lot of difference. So this we've got bada pyara Banarsi dupatta. Colors, this is a neon green, like a mehendi green, not neon green, it's like a mehendi green color. The next color I have in this is a wine color. This is a very beautiful wine color, and they all come with pants. The pants are straight pants. Okay, they're absolutely straight pants with pockets. All my pants are lined and they'll have pockets, and niche uske we've got tissue. We've got good fabrics for the pants. All satin ki pants hai. So if you see, these are the beautiful pants with it, straight pants. So ye mera wine color hai. Then we've got like I said, they are 38 to 44. You'll have to just loosen them yourself, and if you want us to size it, we can size it. There'll be a cost to it. Okay, so we've got this neon green wine. I've got magenta pink, Rani pink color, a very beautiful Rani pink color in this. Again, dupatta बहुत सुंदर दुपट्टा है. A very beautiful piece, and इसके ना sleeves पे भी work है पूरे पे. If you see, we've got sleeves पे भी काम है पूरा. यहाँ पे कोई full sleeves है, कोई half 3/4 sleeves है, depending. Then we've got a lovely blue color, a grey blue color. Again, a very beautiful grey blue color. A very pretty grey blue color, and okay, then we've got an orange color, a very beautiful orange color. So we've got so many colors in this. Again, take your choice. All these are most happening seasonal colors, sare, with pants, and these are all on pure tissue. So if you see the fabric, it's all gold line, gold sheen. Pura Georgette fabric. No, this is this is Banaras silk, tissue silk fabric, and it is all lined. Everything is lined properly, pre-shrunk lining here, so nothing. But they're all to be dry cleaned. Nothing. There is no home wash on this. So these are the beautiful colors we have. Again, I'm showing orange, blue, steel blue. Then I have magenta pink, Rani pink color, wine, and I've got a mehendi green or a neon green. More like mehendi green. I wouldn't say neon green. This is more like mehendi green color. Okay. And I think I have one more color. शायद इसके नीचे दबा हुआ है. I think I have one more color. The next suit I'm showing you this is a nice sophisticated बनारसी ब्रोकेड के ऊपर विद बनारसी दुपट्टा. प्योर बनारसी सिल्क के ऊपर ये सूट है. जरदोजी वर्क, कंप्लीट जरदोजी वर्क है विद बनारसी दुपट्टा. बनारसी जॉर्जेट का दुपट्टा है पूरा पल्ले के साथ. एंड अगेन वी हैव कलर्स इन दिस. द कलर्स आई हैव गॉट इन दिस is a magenta pink color. I think ये दुपट्टा इसका चेंज हो गया किसी सूट के साथ. This is a magenta pink color. Dupatta will be the same, जैसा आपने blue में देखा है. I'm just showing you the colors. This is it's a Rani pink color. If you see the bottom, you'll know. Rani pink color with gold, बनारसी brocade का, with hand embroidery. पूरी जरदोजी के काम का piece है. Then I have मोस्टली मैं पीसेस जो लाई हूँ सब कलर्स हैं उसमें एंड सब तरीके का काम करवा के लाई हूँ, यू नो, सो दैट यू गेट अ डिफरेंट चॉइस. दिस इज अ रेड कलर, रेड एंड गोल्ड. वीव गॉट अ रेड एंड गोल्ड ओवर हियर. सी, दिस इज अ रेड एंड गोल्ड. अगेन पैंट्स के साथ दुपट्टा. एंड देन I've got a wine color, purple color. Okay, so we have 4 colors here in this particular design. Banarsi brocade. I have a purple color, I have red and gold, I have Rani pink, and I have turquoise blue color. So they're all different colors, all different pieces. सब में hand zardozi का work है पूरा. And I can give you a close look of the work also. See, पूरा हाथ की जरदोजी का काम है. Okay, very beautiful piece. 38 to 44 size. Price on this particular Banarsi brocade is 140. 140 with Banarsi dupatta and pants, satin pants. Okay, so these were 4 colors in this particular design. The next design I'm going to show you. Okay, this is a very pretty piece. So again I'm repeating, मैं size सब बोल रही हूँ. They are all 38 to 44. If you can size it yourself, or you can ask us to size it. If we get it sized, there'll be an additional charge to it. But we do not have 48 size. The maximum these pieces will go to will be 44. See, anything that goes beyond 44, उसके लिए shoulders भी बड़े चाहिए होते हैं. वो पूरा piece बड़ा हो जाता है. So अगर आपको कोई ये बोलता है ना कि 30, ये अभी 38 है, ये 46 तक खुल जाएगा, 48 तक, नो, डोंट टेक दैट पीस, बिकॉज शोल्डर, आर्म होल्स सब कुछ बिगड़ जाता है. यू कैन नॉट वेयर दैट पीस बिकॉज उसके आर्म होल्स जो होते हैं वो सब छोटे बने हुए होते हैं, वो 44 तक ही खुलेंगे. आई डू नॉट हैव प्लस साइज राइट नाउ, बट इफ यू लाइक समथिंग लेट अस नो, वी विल हैव इट मेड फॉर यू इन योर साइज. दीज आर ऑल मेरी अपने बने हुए पीसेस हैं, वी कैन हैव इट मेड फॉर यू. जॉर्जेट टिश्यू में दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, अगेन हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड पीस, पूरा मोती का काम है, कटदाना मोती, एंड लाइक माई ऑल अदर पीसेस, प्योर जॉर्जेट टिश्यू है पूरी. यू कैन सी द दुपट्टा एज वेल. पूरे दुपट्टे पे चारों तरफ बॉर्डर है. ऑल 4 sides we've got borders. Okay, we have 3 colors in this. I've got this orange color, we've got a golden yellow color, and I've got a I think इसमें फिर आ जाएगा. We've got a मेहंदी green color. I've got a मेहंदी green also. I will show you. शायद इसके नीचे है. As we move, we will show you. This is my personal favorite piece. मैं आपको ये piece पहले दिखा रही हूँ. A very beautiful, देखो, बनारसी ब्रोकेड के साथ पूरा हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड पीस है. सी, पूरे में. ओके, दुपट्टा चारों तरफ हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी हुई हुई है. सी, सीक्वेंस पैंट्स, बहुत सुंदर पैंट्स, सैटिन की पैंट्स हैं पूरे में, एंड इट्स अ गॉर्जियस पीस. इट्स एन एब्सोल्यूट ब्यूटिफुल पीस. इसको मैं ऐसे भी आपको करके दिखाती हूँ पूरे में. सी, फुल हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी पूरे पीस के ऊपर. द कलर्स आई हैव इन दिस इज this green and yellow, sorry, green and blue. Then I've got purple and green, brocade color changes, and then we've got this this purple and green, and then we've got and this piece. इसका बेस फैब्रिक टिश्यू है, अगेन प्योर टिश्यू है. And this is pure Banarsi brocade. Okay, and this one is magenta and purple. So I've got 3 colors in this. Look, a very beautiful piece. And any piece that you like, please take a screenshot. For further price, size, whatever it is, you can please inbox me and I'm happy to take all your queries there. Okay, right now I'm just showing you the designs that we've got here. This is my favorite and I think इसमें से एक तो मैं अपने लिए जरूर रखूंगी. This is a very beautiful piece. I love this piece. Okay. Then goes ये पूरा दुपट्टा भी इसका पूरा टिश्यू का दुपट्टा है. If you see, even the dupatta is pure tissue dupatta. Look. So like I said, my suits are all party wear suits. They are not regular wear. Absolutely, these are all party wear, nice, heavy, function में, शादी में, किसी में भी पहनना है उसके suits हैं. They are all tissues के, सब pure fabrics के suits हैं. Like my sarees, I don't like to cut corners on any of the things that I'd get. एक डिजाइन मैंने यहाँ रख दिया था. This is another piece. गोटा पट्टी का काम है, मिरर वर्क, गोटा पट्टी, and see. This is on organza, बनारसी organza. दुपट्टा इसका पूरा अगेन चारों तरफ दुपट्टे पे काम है, बनारसी दुपट्टा है पूरा. See. और इसमें नीचे तक काम है. We've got work right up till the bottom. Okay, so पूरे में काम है. Please keep taking screenshots of whatever you like, size, price. मैं आप लोगों से सबसे just inbox me and I'll discuss it further. मैं अभी I can only sit for limited time due to my back, so I'm just quickly showing you what all I have, and then I will discuss all this with you in वो मैंने आपको ऑरेंज वाला मोती वाला पीस दिखाया था, उसका another color. See, this one, green, very pretty green color. It's not mehndi green, it is not a neon green, it's a very pretty green color. ये देखिए, again dupatta, like you saw the dupatta चारों तरफ, and I have a golden yellow as well. So we've got 3 colors. Mostly in every suit I've got 3 colors. किसी में ज्यादा भी होंगे, किसी में कम भी होंगे, but mostly 3 colors हैं. This is another very beautiful piece. See, off-white color on satin crepe. पूरा सीक्वेंस का काम है, full sequence work. Sorry, this is not satin crepe, this is also tissue, silk tissue, full silk tissue पे काम है ये, and tissue का ही दुपट्टा है, again full work का दुपट्टा, दुपट्टा full work का, and this is all hand embroidery. See, okay, sizes are all 38 to 44, and Kavita, please take a screenshot, inbox me and I will reply back to you. डेफिनेटली आई विल, मैं सबके प्राइसेस आपको बता दूंगी, बट जस्ट फॉर अ बॉल पार्क फिगर, सूट्स आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 135 to up till 200 the suits are. That's the range of the suits. Okay, so this is the beautiful, beautiful suit, off-white color. So somebody who loves off-white gold tissue, this is a very pretty piece for you. Here, another gota patti ka suit hai with a nice beautiful printed dupatta, and इसमें मेरे पास एक कलर और है because I can see the dupatta here, but I've not been able to take out all of them, so I definitely have one more color in this. I don't know which one. Here, this is a beautiful piece. See, इसका दुपट्टा आप देखो, पूरा गोटा पट्टी का काम है दुपट्टे पे भी, and this is all georgette tissue. You can see pure georgette tissue है, दुपट्टा चिनॉन का है और पूरे दुपट्टे पे काम हुआ है. All 4 sides work. Right up till the bottom, we've got heavy work on the suits. So these are all very pretty suits. सारे बहुत सुंदर सुंदर suits हैं. You can see सारा georgette tissue पे सूट है. I know I can't stand and show you. I would have loved to stand and show, but crushed tissue के ऊपर embroidery with crushed tissue dupatta. I have more colors in this. See, this is another very beautiful piece. मैं दुपट्टा इसका अब निकाल के आपको दिखा. Again, blue color, बहुत सुंदर blue color है, and you can see the gold shine because that's crushed tissue. पूरा gold shine के साथ है. This is the back of the suit. Okay, नीचे all tassels पूरे लटकन लगी हुई है. इसका दुपट्टा बहुत सुंदर है, दुपट्टे के ऊपर भी काम है, पूरे पे लटकन लगी हुई है दुपट्टे पे भी. एंड ग्रीन आई हैव इसके कलर्स. एक मेरे पास ये बहुत सुंदर, अ वेरी अनयूजुअल ग्रीन. आई हैव दिस ग्रीन कलर इन दिस, एंड आई हैव this multicolor in this. On a mehndi green, we've got this multicolor. All this is crushed tissue. All pure crushed tissue. इसका पूरा दुपट्टा भी इसका मैचिंग है on crushed chinon. Chinon crepe का दुपट्टा है pure. So this is another very beautiful piece. Okay, I've shown you 3 colors in that. ये again one hand embroidered piece. See, one very beautiful hand embroidered piece. इसका दुपट्टा पूरे पे कटदाने का काम हुआ है. स्कैलप्स वाले दुपट्टा है, सीक्वेंस एंड कटदाना, स्कैलप दुपट्टा वर्क वाला. Okay, and we have 2 colors in this. I have 2 colors in this. I have this color and I have this green color. This is on organza, on pure organza, fully lined. This is the green color. So we have 2 colors in this, a mauve color and a green color. Okay. The next piece I have is another gray color ये भी पूरा हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड पीस है with on organza with बनारसी organza दुपट्टा. पूरे हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड पीसेस हैं ये. And my emphasis is always the dupatta because the top of the dupatta should look very beautiful on this. And I think I do have more colors in this, but I haven't yet taken out. I'm not sure about it. A gold piece, another very beautiful gold piece on jute tissue. This is jute tissue, very beautiful and a rich kapda. With pants. And again, the dupatta is tissue and पूरे दुपट्टे पे काम है. See, full work on the dupatta. Okay. So, this is this one. Again, this we only have one piece. No colors, no nothing. This is another very pretty piece. इसके ऊपर इसका color combination, everything is very beautiful. This is a pink color. See, pink and नीचे yellow. Okay, it's a very beautiful piece. इसका दुपट्टा भी ऐसा ही shade में है पूरा. Look, a beautiful piece. Full stone work हुआ है. कुंदन का वर्क है. Okay, and shaded dupatta. See, this is the dupatta with it. Okay. This is another, ये वाला piece भी was very loved and we've got it again. Crushed tissue में है ये piece. See. And this time I've got more colors in it. Last time only had 2 colors. Another very beautiful piece. See, गोटा पट्टी का काम है पूरा. एंड इसका बनारसी दुपट्टा क्रश टिश्यू में एंड पूरे दुपट्टे पे काम है. इट्स गॉट हैंगिंग्स ऑन द बॉटम. ओके, अनदर गॉर्जियस पीस. कलर्स इसके मेरे पास हैं पिंक कलर, बेबी पिंक कलर. I have a pink color in this with this pink dupatta, and I have a golden yellow. Oh, I've got one more. Pretty yellow color, a very beautiful yellow color. So we've got sea green, Banarsi, and this. We've got 3 colors. Sorry, sea green, pink, and yellow. 3 colors we've got. Okay. Banarsi Georgette suits you showed already. Yeah, I've been showing Banarsi Georgette also. I have been explaining all the fabrics to you as it is. So maybe you want to look at the recording once again. I've been showing, these are all mostly Banarsi Georgettes, crushed tissues, Georgette tissues, all these. Hi Leila, how are you? Leela. I don't know why I had your name in my phone book as Leila. So I used to always call you. Sorry, apologize, Leela. Yes, A very beautiful yellow tissue suit. Again, gota patti. Jacquard tissue में है ये. This is jacquard tissue. And very pretty tissue dupatta. See. Stripes का और गोटा पट्टी का tissue दुपट्टा है. A very beautiful piece. Okay. So all these pieces, this piece is 160. 160. All of them have pants also lined, satin pants, all of them. Crushed tissue, 160. 160 crushed tissue with pure Banarsi crushed tissue dupatta. These are all pure, like I said, they're all pure tissue suits, sare. And you're going to love them when you're going to wear them. People are going to really ask you. अच्छे अच्छे suits लाई हूँ मैं. See. In gold color, similar. Just a different dupatta. Look. ये सारा beautiful work, पूरा pure crushed tissue. Pure crushed tissue है. All my tissues, all my fabrics are all pure. Those of you who got sarees from me, you all know. Mirror work. Again, पूरा tissue के ऊपर mirror work है. Another very beautiful piece, and I think I have a grey color also in this. I'm not sure, but I think I've got a grey color also. A very beautiful piece. पूरे दुपट्टे पे भी चारों तरफ mirror work है, and it's got all these bootas everywhere. See, and the mirror is not just stuck; it is embroidered, right? So it is embroidered. See, yeah. Somehow I got your name, Leila. That's you said, no? I was not wrong. Here, another grey color, गोटा पट्टी का काम. इसमें दुपट्टे पे भी चारों तरफ काम है, बैक पे भी, all on tissue. All on tissue. See. Beautiful piece, पूरे दुपट्टे पे work है. Okay. Full work on the dupatta. This is another tissue के ऊपर hand embroidery and tissue dupatta. See. All these pieces, like they speak for themselves. You don't have to judge कि ये कैसा है कैसा नहीं है. ये सारे pieces इतने सुंदर हैं. They speak for themselves. इसका tissue का दुपट्टा, if you see, it's in two style. पूरा किरण लगी हुई है चारों तरफ. So in every aspect I concentrated on every bit of these pieces. Okay, 1, 2, we have 2, 3 more suits to go, and then I'm going to take a break. Off-white with full sequence katana work. Full sequence katana work. पूरा hand embroidered piece है. This is not fabric. इसका पूरा दुपट्टे के ऊपर पूरा work हुआ है. You can see full work on the dupatta. Gold saree kata. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Yeah, it साड़ी से ज़्यादा you carried it very well. That matters a lot. साड़ी तो ठीक है, जो सुंदर होती है, but you know, it matters how you carry it. This is a very beautiful red color piece. on silk. This is on silk with moti and बांधनी का पीस है, जरदोजी और मोती का काम हुआ है with बनारसी दुपट्टा. See, okay, another beautiful piece. Last है आज का. I am tired, I can't do any more. This is a red colored bandhani piece on silk. And this is proper tied wali bandhani. आपको दिख रहा होगा. No, I don't use print bandhani. These are all tied bandhani. Hello Tabita, how are you? गोटे का काम है पूरा on red color bandhani. I do have a golden yellow also in this, but I've not been able to take out. I also have a golden yellow color in this. See, a very beautiful piece, right? So these were my suits for today. I do have a lot more to show, but I'm really tired. I won't be able to show more, but we will come back with more suits definitely. And whatever you like, please take a screenshot, send it to me. I will check the size for you, what size it is. I will tell you the price, size, everything along with that. All right. All of you all, thank you so much for joining and seeing the collection. I will be back with more again soon. Keep watching, and I keep posting videos and I keep posting pictures on my Facebook. We will try to put pictures of the suits as well. So whatever it will be all there. You can have a look there. Thank you all and have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Bye-bye. Yes, just take a screenshot, Tabitha, and send me. I will check every size. Offhand, मैं आपको बोलूँगी तो 38 to 44 है सारे. But I'll check each one size and tell you. Okay? Just send me a screenshot. I'm right here only. I will check every size and get back to you. Okay? Thank you all and good night.